Now, I only make beef like this. I learned this in Florida. Start by adding a large beef steak in a slow cooker. My steak weighs approximately 1 kilo. Then add 600 milliliters of Coca-Cola, pouring it all over the meat. Then, add 150 grams of green beans. Also add 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now add 12 baby potatoes. Top everything with 200 grams of sweet chili sauce. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of onion flakes, and mix everything very well to add this seasoning to the meat and potatoes. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Finally, take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and roast for 50 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now get one and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.